What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and in today's video we are having a launch date and not only that, also the pricing for the Xiaomi's 11 Lite 5G NE. We have also done a video on pros and cons of whether you should consider buying this smartphone, so take a look at that too inside the card above or the link in the description below. So if you are new here, then consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So now that you have done that, let's get started. So in this video, very first let's start off with the launch date of the Xiaomi's 11 Lite 5G NE smartphone. Now this smartphone will be launching in India on the very first of this month only, and it will be on 29th September. Now about the specifications of this smartphone, which are the key specifications which you are going to come with this smartphone, are the Snapdragon 778G 5G chipset, which is a 5G processor, and it's one of the early adopters of this processor. We have also done a quick comparison between these processors, so you can also check that out in the card above or the link in the description below. For camera lovers, it will come with a 64 megapixel primary camera, an ultra-wide lens of 8 megapixel and 5 megapixels of TeleMacro camera. There is also a 20 megapixel of selfie shooter on the front in the form of the punch hole, and it will carry up to 256 gigabytes of internal storage in the smartphone. The base will be coming with a 6+128, and its price has been revealed in an unofficial way, and it's to be priced at 22,000 for the 6+128. Now the display also, this phone will be coming with a 10-bit flat AMOLED display, and it's a true color 90Hz display with a high refresh rate of 90Hz, and not only that, a 240Hz of touch sampling rate, and a Dolby Vision support is also been present in this smartphone. So what do you think? Are you planning to buy the smartphone, or will you switch to other smartphones such as at the 23 price mark, the OnePlus Nord CE or any other smartphone? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the very next one. Thanks for watching.